If we want to teach the Biafra story in schools, I tell you, one of the reasons they stopped teaching history was that they couldn't tell our story. And now they can't tell the Biafra story. And we cannot tell the story of the coups properly. Now, a country with so many secrets that it cannot divulge cannot write history. It is wrong to talk about ignoring the Biafra story. All the injustices and the oppression that led to Biafra are still very much present and with us. You can't escape Biafra. And in fact, the reason we do need to continuously exhume the ghost of Biafra is that the ethnic principles on the basis of which we had to go to war are all pervasive in the Nigerian society of today. And our leaders do not appear to know what to do about them. They start from the wrong premises. Some want to eliminate ethnic groups. It is not possible to eliminate ethnic groups. That old statement by Amadou Bello in reply to Zik said, let's forget our differences. Amadou Bello said, no, let's understand them. When you do understand them, you will discover that it is possible for those who are supposedly radically opposed to themselves today, it is possible for them to sit at the same table and discuss that. If we want to...
Greetings, my friends. Truth be told, the absence of history in Nigerian school curriculum is a big blow below the belt. Because history will remind people how far they have gone and where they are going. And I want to say this. If Igbos were the cause of that war, and our forefathers were guilty as alleged, history wouldn't have been removed from the school curriculum. Oh yes. Retired General Ibrahim Babangida confessed the other day, thank God, that Igbos were exonerated. But the question is over 3 to 4 million lives that were wasted then, and underground war continued till death. The souls were irreparably lost. Who removed the bite of Biafra? That is the question. Any child who says that im mama no go rest, that pikin no go rest too. Now so we there for this country. A prison warder who watches over a prisoner is also a prisoner, because him and the prisoner go die there. Almost all the countries in the world, they have their histories, good, bad, and ugly. But in Nigeria, a lot of elders, a whole lot, who jeopardize the future of this country and the future of their generations, were lowered in their graves with a lot of falsehood harbored in their hearts. There are untold millions. We have seen a whole lot, lies upon lies, bloodshed, looting, the murder of all frauds, corruption in high and low places, in the highest order, just for power, and material things. This country is as useful as burial ground. Those who claim that they love this country, they actually hate it. Because what you hate, you destroy, but what you like, you protect. The so-called politicians will die abroad, and they are being brought back for burial here in this country. That is what we are good at. So here has become cemetery. Not good for life savings, but for burial. Almost all the nook and cranny of this country are full of graves, saturated with innocent blood. When you see people dancing on the streets, myself, I see them dancing on burial grounds. The sacrosanctity of life has been reduced to utter nihilism and the nothingness. Life has zero value in this country. As we do business, we do it on top of graveyards. Those who are into sports activities, they do that on a graveyard. Farmers are farming on a graveyard. Newborn children eliminated, newborn babies butchered, their parents named, houses are being burned, villages are being sacked. No day has passed in Nigeria without bloodshed. And not 24 hours are expired in Nigeria without violence. If it doesn't come naturally, some people will callously create one. You can't hear mind uplifting utterances. The things you hear every day, shoot them, carry the ballot box, budget padding, looting, bunkering, election rigging, exam malpractices, special center, yahoo, ritualists, killer headers, land grabbing, open defecation, open grazing, fuel scarcity, crude oil theft, drug trafficking, fake drugs, unknown gunmen, and all kinds of frauds. The mothers and the fathers of all frauds we have witnessed in this country. Honestly, Nigeria is on a sinking ground. And I will sound it abundantly clear to the hearing of everyone that righteousness exalts a nation, but sin is a reproach. And do not forget my usual statement that falsehood will never last, and the stolen crown is a mere cap. Britain, you guys are watching the foundation you laid. We are on a sinking ground. Share this video. My name is Brother Paul Chibo. May God bless you.
The best